Welcome to the second part of our Digital Transformation Foundation series. This video focuses on the critical difference between modernization and true transformation, and why understanding this distinction is vital for your organization's future. This 14-part course is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI as part of the Digital Transformation Foundations program. The core distinction lies in infrastructure versus capabilities. Modernization is tactical. It upgrades hardware and software, such as replacing servers or moving to the cloud. Transformation, however, is strategic. It upgrades what the organization can do, fundamentally expanding your operational capacity and competitive positioning. Transformation unlocks powerful capabilities, including rapid experimentation, allowing you to test new ideas in days. It enables customer-centric design, embedding insights into every decision, and utilizes AI-augmented decision-making across the organization. Finally, it fosters cross-functional collaboration, breaking down silos. These capabilities compound over time, creating exponential returns. A team that can both rapidly experiment and use AI-driven insights achieves far more than the sum of those parts. In contrast, tools and hardware depreciate, losing value unless they unlock these lasting capabilities. Modernization generally focuses on reducing costs through efficiency gains, like cloud migration or legacy system retirement. Transformation, however, focuses on growth. It shifts the organization from defensive cost management to offensive growth strategies by opening entirely new revenue streams. Transformation unlocks revenue opportunities like creating new digital products that scale instantly. It enables platform business models and allows for subscription or usage-based revenue. Most importantly, it monetizes data by turning organizational insights into new data-driven services. Transformation is a growth strategy, not simply a cost-cutting exercise. Organizations that only focus on efficiency miss the greatest potential of transformation. The ability to compete in entirely new ways and capture value that did not exist before. Modernization solves today's pain points by fixing technical debt and current inefficiencies. Transformation prepares your organization for tomorrow. It builds adaptive capacity to respond to future threats and opportunities that do not even exist yet. Future readiness matters because the pace of change has accelerated. New entrants can scale globally quickly. Customer expectations are constantly evolving, and business models shift faster than legacy organizations can adapt. Stability-optimized organizations struggle when speed and adaptability are rewarded. Transformation is a bet on the future, not a fix for the past. The question is not whether your current systems are adequate today, but whether your organization can sense, respond, and adapt to fundamental shifts in how value is created in your industry. Let's look at some case study snapshots that illustrate the modernization versus transformation distinction and show how different responses to similar market conditions led to dramatically different outcomes. Blockbuster modernized its stores, improving point-of-sale systems and inventory, making its existing model more efficient. It failed. Netflix transformed its business model, pioneering streaming and personalized recommendations, creating an entirely new category. Kodak invented the digital camera but focused on modernizing film processing. Competitors transformed how people capture and share memories, moving to digital files and smartphones. Kodak optimized the technology, but competitors reinvented the entire experience. Traditional banks modernized their branches and added mobile apps as front ends to legacy systems. Fintech disruptors transformed the customer experience with instant services, real-time payments, and AI-driven advice, making banking native to digital life. Understanding why transformation initiatives fail is crucial. Most failures follow predictable patterns rooted in fundamental misconceptions about what true transformation requires. Common failure patterns include treating transformation as an IT project and focusing on tools instead of capabilities. Others are ignoring culture and incentives, underestimating the need for new skills, and digitizing fundamentally broken processes. Transformation fails when the organization stays the same. You cannot transform business outcomes without transforming the business. Technology changes nothing if the culture, skills, incentives, and operating model remain frozen in place. A genuinely transformed organization operates according to fundamentally different principles, not just using digital tools. These characteristics distinguish successful organizations from those that have merely modernized. Transformed organizations use data to make decisions at every level and automate low-value work so humans can focus on judgment and creativity. They also build digital products and services, with product thinking permeating the entire organization. Digital-first organizations operate with agility and experimentation. They empower teams with AI and automation, amplifying human capability, and continuously adapt to change. Adaptation is embedded in their operating model. Transformation is a new operating system for the business. Just as upgrading software changes how you work, digital transformation changes the fundamental capabilities and operating logic of the entire organization. We now have a series of reflection and discussion prompts. These questions are designed to surface honest assessments and drive concrete action planning in your organization. Ask yourself, where are you modernizing instead of transforming? Which processes need reinvention, not just digitization? And what cultural barriers are blocking genuine transformation? Consider who owns transformation. Is it IT or executive leadership? Also, determine what new capabilities would truly change your competitive position and make your current advantages obsolete. The goal of these prompts is clarity about where you are and where you need to go. Document the answers, identify patterns, and prioritize transformation initiatives based on both impact and organizational readiness. Now, let's review a summary of this module. Digital transformation is about reinventing the business, reshaping culture, and building new capabilities for a digital-first future. Modernization is necessary to keep the organization running, while transformation ensures it can thrive in a radically different future. Organizations that confuse the two spend millions on technology but change nothing fundamental, becoming efficient at things that matter less. Those that understand the difference unlock new growth, agility, and competitive advantage by building capabilities that compound. Key takeaways: transformation upgrades capabilities, not just systems. Capabilities compound, unlike tools. Transformation is a growth strategy, not just cost savings. Future readiness matters more than current optimization, and the organization must change alongside the technology. Avoid strategic errors like treating transformation as an IT project or digitizing broken processes. Overcome organizational barriers by addressing skill gaps and culture. Finally, avoid execution failures such as confusing activity with actual progress. True success involves observable behaviors, using data for decisions at every level, automating low-value work, continuous building of digital products, operating with agility, leveraging AI, and constantly adapting to change. To move from insight to action, assess honestly where you stand, build alignment among leadership, and start strategically by choosing initiatives that build lasting capabilities and create new value. The question is no longer whether to transform, but how quickly and effectively your organization can build the necessary capabilities. Organizations that act decisively will shape their industries. Those that delay will be shaped by them. The choice is clear: modernize to keep up, or transform to get ahead. Thank you. Digital transformation is a journey of strategic reinvention. Use these insights and the reflection questions to guide your organization toward building lasting competitive advantage in a digital-first world.